In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who can see your files on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm who has access to a folder, what their permissions are, and how to interpret what you see, all without changing any settings. Start on Google's homepage in your web browser. Look to the top right corner for the small grid of dots, sometimes called the Google Apps menu. Click that grid to open the list of Google services. From there, select Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your folders and files live. Once Drive is open, find the folder you want to review. Right-click on that folder to open the context menu. This is the quickest way to reveal options that relate specifically to the item you selected. In the menu, move your mouse over folder information. Don't click just yet. Hovering will reveal a secondary menu. From that submenu, click Details. A panel will slide out on the right side of your screen. This is the details view for the selected folder. Here, look for the section labeled Who has access. This area shows the current sharing status at a glance. You'll typically see whether the folder is restricted to specific people, shared with people in your organization, or available to anyone with the link. Below that, you'll see a list of people or groups who have access, along with their roles, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer means they can open and read what's inside but can't change files. Commenter can leave comments on supported file types without editing the actual content. Editor can modify, move, and sometimes share items, depending on the folder's settings. If you notice a group listed, remember that everyone in that group inherits whatever role is shown. If you see a globe or link icon labeled Anyone with the link, that means the folder is broadly accessible to anyone who has that link. If the panel looks different, that's okay. Google occasionally updates labels. You might see details alongside an activity tab. Make sure you're on Details to view access information. If you don't see the grid icon at the beginning, double-check that you're signed in to the correct Google account. That's all there is to it. Open Drive, right-click the folder, hover over folder information, choose Details, and read the Who has access section. You can repeat the same approach for other folders, and the process is very similar for individual files as well. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying in control of your sharing in Google Drive.